Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products to give you the full scoop. Today, I'm talking about something that's a bit of a departure from the usual skincare or makeup, the Oral-B iO Deep Cleans Whiten Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. Yes, we're discussing a toothbrush, but trust me, this isn't your average brush. It's packed with features that promise to change the way we approach oral care, and that's something worth exploring. The Oral-B iO Deep Clean Plus Whiten is designed to give you a premium brushing experience. It features advanced technology that promises healthier gums in just 1 week, with the added bonus of removing 100% more plaque, even between your teeth, compared to a manual brush. It's equipped with a visible pressure sensor, a 2-minute timer, and 5 different cleaning modes, so it's truly built to meet all your brushing needs. The iO 5 Limited comes with 3 toothbrush heads, a travel case, and a refill holder, making it super convenient for your daily routine and travel. Now let's talk about the key ingredients that set this toothbrush apart. The most impressive feature, in my opinion, is the iO pressure sensor, which ensures that you're brushing with just the right amount of pressure. Too much pressure? The brush will let you know with a red light. Too little? It'll guide you with a green light. This is a real game changer when it comes to gum health, as overbrushing can lead to gum recession and underbrushing can leave plaque behind. The 2-minute timer is another standout feature, ensuring you're brushing long enough to get a thorough clean. It's timed according to the dentist's recommended standard, and it even lights up to let you know when your session is complete. And if that wasn't enough, the toothbrush connects with the Oral-B app, tracking your brushing habits in real time and helping you identify any spots you might be missing. It's like having a personal oral hygiene coach right there with you. I use the Oral-B iO for a couple of weeks now, and it has definitely elevated my brushing routine. It was easy to incorporate into my day, and I noticed an immediate difference in how fresh my mouth felt. I did try out the different cleaning modes, which include settings for sensitive teeth, gum care, and whitening. Personally, I gravitated toward the deep clean setting, which felt thorough without being too harsh on my gums. The brushing experience is incredibly smooth, and the brush head glides over teeth with ease, giving you a comfortable, clean feeling every time. But let's be honest here, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One downside is that the brush is a bit on the pricier side. While I do think the technology justifies the cost to some extent, especially with the app integration and the pressure sensor, it might not be the best option if you're looking for something more affordable. Also, the brush heads are a bit costly to replace, so keep that in mind if you're planning to make this a long-term investment. Let's break it down. Pros: the iO pressure sensor ensures optimal pressure, protecting your gums from damage. The built-in 2-minute timer makes sure you're brushing long enough for a full clean. 5 customizable cleaning settings make it versatile for different needs, whether you're focused on whitening or gum care. The Oral-B app tracks your brushing habits, which can be helpful for those who tend to miss spots. Cons: it's on the expensive side, which may not be worth it for everyone. The brush head replacements can add up over time. The travel case, while convenient, does take up a bit of space, and some people might find it bulky. Now, when it comes to value for money, the Oral-B iO is definitely a premium product. However, if the price point is something you're not quite ready to commit to, there are more affordable electric toothbrush options that still offer good plaque removal and basic timers. The Philips Sonicare series, for example, offers similar performance at a slightly lower price, though it lacks some of the advanced features that the iO offers, like the app connectivity and pressure sensor. In terms of build quality, the toothbrush feels solid in your hand, and the design is sleek, with the black finish giving it a sophisticated look. The brush is rechargeable, and the battery lasts for a solid week of brushing, which is more than enough for most people. The travel case is a nice touch, and while it does take up space, it's handy for keeping everything together on the go. As for customer service, I haven't had to reach out directly to Oral-B, but their reputation in the market for handling customer inquiries is generally solid. They're known for being responsive, and many customers appreciate their approach to resolving any issues quickly. When it comes to alternatives, if the Oral-B iO's price tag doesn't sit well with you, consider the Philips Sonicare Protective Clean 6100. It offers similar cleaning modes, a pressure sensor, and a timer, but at a more affordable price point. It doesn't have the fancy app, but it does get the job done well. To sum it up, the Oral-B iO Deep Clean plus Whiten toothbrush is a standout in the world of electric toothbrushes. It offers some serious tech innovations, like the pressure sensor and app integration, that make it a great option for those looking to elevate their oral care routine. That said, the price might be a deal breaker for some. If you're someone who values tech, precision, and taking the guesswork out of brushing, then this could be a fantastic fit. But if you're just looking for a basic, effective toothbrush, there are more affordable options that can deliver a solid clean. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. We love hearing your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.